it feels so good. Stop, dog. Just
Loso.
have some dignity.
Don't do it, Denzel.
Come on, boys. Just fight it out. Don't fuck it out. Come on. No homo. No homo.
Come on, no.
No. Good. Okay. He's like, no, that's not. More of a right guy side. Right side. Don't lick his dick. Let's piss him off, yo. Oh no! It's just disgusting.
Come on, Loso.
Have some dignity.
Why are you doing that?
Yeah, we're recording you. This is the gayest shit ever. Don't. No. Yeah, no, he knows he's straight. Denzel's trying to turn him gay.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't do it. He's just trying to turn you on right now. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. He's just saying, I ain't no homo, bitch. Don't try that. Fuck. And then they got all soft again? They're just like, I love you, bro. Nah, fuck you.
Man, they just fight all day? Damn.
It's whoever has the upper hand runs this fucking backyard.
Yeah.
Oh, man, no. Look at all those cuts on the side of his face. You see that? Where's the love? Where's the family love? No, dog.
I think he's just trying to trip him.
I think he's trying to fuck him, dude. Like, straight up. Like, he's licking his dick. He's probably telling him right now, he's like, you better lick my dick before I fuck you up.
Yeah.
Oh, now he just licked his own dick.
Man, they get all tough and then they just like get so gay.
Don't. Do you see every time he jumps up, he's like, I know you a faggot, don't you?
Yeah.
No.
He's like, are you really trying this right now?
I like that, man. I like that.
Denzel's such a homo.
He's almost dog. Like, it makes sense, man. I just want to mount you. No!
If Denzel got the chance, he would.
Oh, he's going to, I
Definitely.
think, man. He's just tiring him out. He's like, how you like if I fuck you?
He's trying to rape this motherfucker.
Yeah. Size matters, bro. He's got the upper hand. And then it's just gay again. Like, it's like, what the fuck just happened?
Oh, man.
Don't 69. Don't 69. Oh my god.
And now they're back to fighting. It's a vicious circle.
This is fucking National Geographic right in our backyard. Yeah. Gay dogs gone wild. Yo, we should make a show called Gay Pets. Just like gay shit that animals do. Don't.
That'd be so
don't.
gay, man.
Please don't. Oh, this guy wants to fuck him, and this guy wants him to 69 with him. And it's just like they're fighting over who goes first. He's like, let's do it. Don't do it. Don't do
He got out of it.
Oh, this is. Oh. He's like, you want a little sample of what it would be like? Don't.
Oh, come on.
He's like, get off of me. Get off of
Oh,
me.
my
Oh!
God.
Get a closer view now. Yo, stand right here, Flo.
What the fuck?
Yo, we're gonna go viral with this shit.
Yo, his thing was out and everything. The fucking sick ass dog.
Yo, this is rape. Should we call the police or something?
Yeah, man, call Pet Patrol or something.
Is there like, yeah, I saw animal cops.
Yeah, Loso's just
Yo,
not having it.
Once Loso is tired, he's just gonna fuck the shit out of him. I
Yeah.
feel so bad for him.
Yeah.
Don't let him do it, Loso. Well, don't do that. Like, run or something.
I liked it better when they were fucking each other up, man.
Yeah, this is like
They're like-
romantic. Oh no, Loso's got fucking crazy too. Yo, they both
Yo,
going homo.
Loso's gone.
Loso.
Loso, how could you?
He's left that.
How
he's left
could
the good
you?
side.
Fucking Loso. Unfaithful motherfucker.
That's disgusting, Loso, you fuck.
dogs.
Don't. Now he's trying to face fuck him. Ah.
I feel
Oh,
so. Oh,
no,
he is.
no, this is wrong. We need like a doggy priest in here or something.
Yeah.
Tell him what's right.
They just in hum fever right now, man. They can't stop it.
They need to get their dicks chopped off or something.
Yeah.
They gotta get neutered.
No. He's like, I'm not taking it. I'm not.
Like, what the fuck? Yeah, come to the good side, Loso.
Loso, do us right, dog. Do us right. You got it.
No.
Don't get all slow and emotional again.
Come on, Loso.
Don't. Don't. Get off of it. Loso's got to.
Oh my goodness. Why?
They're red rocketing and shit. That's disgusting.
Yeah.
Loso, be a man. Don't do. No. Dog. Don't do this, Loso.
Denzel.
I heard that. Can I bum one? I have in the house. Don't do it.